The Ford Mustang Boss 302 has always been a name whispered with respect among car enthusiasts. Known for its raw power, track-ready handling, and racing pedigree, the Boss 302 was born to dominate both streets and circuits. Now, in 2026, Ford revives this legendary name with a modern twist, a car that honors its heritage but embraces cutting-edge technology to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Design: a muscle car with a race car soul. The 2026 Boss 302 looks aggressive from every angle. The wide stance, sculpted hood with functional heat extractors, aerodynamic front splitter, and bold side graphics instantly separate it from a standard Mustang. Inspired by the original Boss 302 racers of the late 60s and early 70s, this new version incorporates lightweight aluminum panels, carbon fiber trim, and a functional rear spoiler to enhance downforce. Performance: heart of a Boss. Under the hood sits a 5.0L Coyote V8, hand-tuned to produce around 520 horsepower. Rev-happy and naturally aspirated, it delivers an intoxicating sound and instant throttle response. Paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox for purists, or an optional dual-clutch automatic, the Boss 302 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. A track-focused suspension, uprated sway bars, and adaptive Magneride dampers keep it planted in high-speed corners. Interior: driver first, always. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with Recro sport seats, Alcantara steering wheel, and minimal distractions. The 2026 Boss 302 features a fully digital performance gauge cluster that provides lap times, G-force data, and tire temperature readings. The cabin mixes retro-inspired details with modern tech, perfect for a car that bridges past and future. A legacy reborn. The original Boss 302 was designed to beat rivals on the Trans Am racing circuit. The 2026 version carries that mission forward, delivering a machine that thrives on the track but is civil enough for the street. It's a pure driver's car, loud, fast, and unapologetically aggressive. Final verdict: the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302 is not just another Mustang. It's a statement, a celebration of speed, precision, and American muscle heritage. If you want a car that feels alive every time you hit the ignition, the Boss 302 is ready to make you its commander.